Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Coleen. So for today's video, I am going to do a mini unboxing for you guys. It's Friday goodies, so I decided to do it that way. My Chatty Tuesday, my Friday goodies. So every Friday, best believe that I am going to do a little goodies unboxing. So without further ado, let's get started. Anywho, let's start with our smallest item of today. So this first item is from Xoxo, and I am going to show you guys what's in it. Give me a few minutes because I am going to raise my table, and then that way you guys can see it. I'm right back. I'm back! Ta-da! Me, myself, and I, and all its glory. But anyway, let's start with the first item. From Xoxo, I received it a month ago. I just now have the time to open it. But let's go ahead and open it all together. Let's go ahead and open it. Ta-da! Let's back up a little bit. It seems like all you can see is my international airport of the day. My forehead. It's from Xoxo. Da-da-da! It is the little bag, lady bag. What is this? Coin purse or wallet? How adorable is this? Oh my god, look at these. It's the Xoxo lady bag circle coin purse wallet. Oh my goodness, this is stinking cute. So let's go ahead and check this. Ooh, that's beautiful hardware, silver hardware. I didn't expect that. Did I know it? No, I just love it. That's why I ordered it. Does it matter? Yeah, it does matter. So let's go back to the item. Silver clip, and it comes with this hook. Oh my goodness, beautiful, gorgeous, cute little stuff. I got it in a Xoxo outlet site. I don't think they have it in a Xoxo regular site, but who knows, you never know. Go ahead and check it out if you love this kind of item. Really such a good price. It was on sale by that time. And see if you can guys still find anything. So I only paid $38.40 for this cutie. So there you go. And let's take this nothing right here to reveal more of its glory. So it comes with a leather extended zipper pull, black leather, and I think I showed you guys the inside already. I feel like I'm leaning towards you all. Let me move a little bit. Okay. So here's the inside. Whoopsie boopsie. Here, the care booklet, and they forgot to take the ringer off. Good thing I didn't go to that ringer. Beep, beep, beep. A lady stealing some ladybug out here. But anyway, so here's the inside of this little cutie. And it also comes with a little tag on the inside, right with a serial number. And there is a tiny tag, like a Xoxo logo right on the inside. If you guys can see it, she ain't a bad finger, she's just helping you guys see it. All right, so here's the first item. Really cute. I'm gonna grab a handbag real quick, and that way you can see what is the purpose of this cutie. So I am going to borrow my old lady here So this is not the particular bag that I am going to use this item into, but I am going to show you guys the purpose of this little thing. I think I got it backward. So reversed, turn to the left, turn to the right, crisscross. So you can definitely use a different handbag, but this is the closest one to me. So just go turn it that way, and you can use it as a bag charm. You guys get what I'm trying to show it here. And then let's go ahead and take it up and look at more close detail of her. I have a few more items. I shouldn't be spending so much time. So that is it for this little bag, cutie bag right here. It is from Coach again. It is a round zip coin purse, or you can also use this a key holder. Super cute. I really love it. And I love, among of all the bags, I love the lady bag. Does anyone else here loves a lady bag? Maybe not. But anyway, let's go ahead and proceed to our next item and see what we got, and see if they are correlated to each other. And let's open this up. Next box. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! There it is. This one is from Kate Spade, and this is another small letter good. What is wrong with me, honey? So this is from Kate Spade. Here is the paperwork. I am not my normal self, but I think this is kind of my normal self that nobody knows. Alrighty, so there she is. It is from Kate Spade. Here's the bags. Beautiful. So bags down, paperwork's down. Let's get into the item. Alright, let's open this up, shall we? Shall we? Shall we? Shall we? Shall we? Shall we? There you go. My Chatty Tuesday should be sounds like this. But what's more exciting with the Friday goodies? So there you go, guys. And this is another SLG. It's the card holder. Look at you all. Eee, these two little strawberries right here. And the back. Let's go ahead. I am going to show you guys the little features of this cutie. Where is my paperwork? I forgot how much I paid for this. So there it is. Don't mind my nail polish chip off really easily. So it's a card case with the two strawberries and weave pattern right in the front. It is not a real weaving of the letter. It is just like an embossed weave. The back, it says Kate Spade logo. 1 card slot, 2 card slot, or so 1 right in the middle. And let's take out the care booklet and the tag, and let's take this all out in here, and then that way you guys can see its beauty and its glory. So there you go. It also comes with a Kate Spade tag, and here's another one. So there's 1, 2, 3 tags right in the inside. It is fabric lining, like a lined fabric, and the same as in every slots right here. And the strawberry, guys, this is stinking cute. The strawberry is way down there. And the same as the back. Materials is very malleable, soft. It doesn't have the luxurious feeling because of, you know, as a luxury handbag lover, we kind of like have that sense of luxury touch, if you know what I mean, or maybe not. So there you go. That's one. And they are perfectly paired and meant to each other. What do you think? The strawberry and the ladybug. There you go. I'm gonna give you guys a more look. This item. My Coach ladybug coin purse and my Kate Spade card holder with 2 strawberries on top. So that will take me to my next item, and this one I already worn it. It doesn't come in the box anymore because I pick it up in store. Summer, 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 I'm dreaming for summer. Ta-da! My very first Doc Martens shoe wear. This is the rebuild of my Doc Martens. I already wore them once when we were on our vacation. Just because I can. But I put it back because I want to show it to you guys. What I picked while I'm away. So there you go. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Give me a huge thumbs up if you like this video and if you still want to see this face, because you will. And but anywho, let's go back to the shoes. Very, very, very sturdy looking and very bouncy, really squishy the footbed, and it's really perfect for the summer. So let's go ahead. That's one shoe. I think this is just really fun from getting you out of your comfort zones, the girly comfort zones. So I am going to take the insert, one of the insert out, so you guys can see the detail. Maybe just 2. I'll just take 2 off. On the floor. Goodbye. All right. So there you go. I am just going to put it right here. Oops, excuse you. Okay. So here's my Doc Martens slip-on or sandals, strappy sandals. I picked this out because it is really perfect for summer, and this is my very first Doc Martens shoe wear. I been lasting for Doc Martens item, Martens item for so many years, but I never able to get it just because I always get sidetracked for the other brands that keep popping in my email. So there you go. It comes. This is the bottom. I just worn it once, so it's still not that dirty yet. And it says it has an air wear. I can't really tell guys what it says, but it's almost just like air wear, or it says with a bouncing sole. With that being said, it's really is so soft to walk, really comfortable. White leather, real leather right here. And I do wear a size 6.5, but with Doc Martens, I can't say it right. With Doc Martens, I wear 6 because they a tad bit bigger, or maybe they're about just right. So Doc Martens I wear 6, but usually most of the brands I wear 6.5. And this will take me to my next item. So next item. So last box of the day and of this unboxing. Just go ahead and open that. Gonna make it quick. There you go. So box on the floor. This is another shoe wear. It's from Puma. And in this brand, I wear 6.5. Am I been screaming the entire time? So SG means the collaboration of Miss Selena Gomez with the Puma company. Puma, I don't know how you say it, but that's the name of this brand. I've been familiar with this brand since I was little, but I really didn't own any of their items or any of their goodies. So this is my very first piece of Puma shoe wear and my very first piece of my Doc Martens. Okay, so here it is, paperwork. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it is. So here's the bag. Another shoe wear. For those who knows me, I am the Imelda Marcos version. But yeah, you know what I mean, you know. So here's the shoes. Isn't it cute? Here's the sneakers. I love how it's rose gold and the detailing. You guys, I tried it on in the store and it really looks so darn cute. I maybe not be able to wear it today, but I am going to do a mini photo shoot and go ahead and check out my Instagram account. So make sure to check it out, Coleen C or Coleen Carretero in my Instagram. So there it is. It has the buckle detail. It says SG. And there is no lace. It's just a stretchy material. It is a slip-on shoes and it reminds me of the Yeezy, you know, Kim Kardashian's husband. A Yeezy shoes. So here's the one. And I'm gonna pull, guys, the other one also. And here's the pair of it. Box empty, nothing else. And here's the two item. It looks a little bit quirky when you had it too close to the camera. Here's the side, the back of the shoe, the bottom, and we will be strolling down the street. Hello, hi honey, hi, can we walk? So that is it for today's Friday goodies. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post the new videos. And thank you so much for spending your precious time with me, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye for now. Bye.